Hello! Answer me please. English is easy or difficult in your opinion? I guess if I collect all the answer of every one of you, right? Probably 5,000 people. I'm sure that I would get a variety of answers from very easy, okay, and then quite difficult and very difficult and then damn difficult, right? Sorry. Anyway, for some of you who think that English is very difficult and then you think that you will never be good at it in your whole life, please listen to this one first.
So what is your name? My name is Osas. Pardon? Come again. So
now you think that this language is easy or difficult. And I tell you what, the Thai language is definitely not easy at all, okay? But how come we feel like it's so easy? Of course, because it's our mother tongue. So in conclusion, there's no such thing called this language is easy or difficult. It's just about your feelings and attitude. The key is time and effort, okay? You need to just practice and practice and practice, okay? Just let your brain and subconscious mind work for you, all right? I'm here to help you. My mission of teaching English online is to help you to get motivated and believe in yourself that there is possibility for you to be good at English, and one day you will be able to speak automatically, without translating in Thai in your head, okay? So come and practice with me. ครูใหม่